my name is Amy. Everyone will get old. When we get old, our face will change and we'll have a new family. And when I become 70 years old, I think I will do two things. First, I will take care of my garden. When I was young, I loved the flowers and plants. I always played with flowers and some plants. Also, I grew a lot of plants. I really love them. So, I will take care of my plants where even I get old. Second, I will travel to other countries. Sometimes I will get stressed or I will be sad. And traveling will make me feel better. Also, travel will be a great memory. Before I die, I want to make a good memories. And traveling can make it. In conclusion, I think I will do these two things. They'll take care of my garden and travel to other countries. Thank you for listening.